Hey friends, TUXX here. I've been using the Escort M2 now for about a week, and I wanted to go ahead and give a few extra thoughts on it. I think this does have a pretty good picture, and you can catch some really interesting, cool things on this, like this crazy scene. I don't know what was going on there. But anyway, the camera itself is pretty decent. People wanted a live demo, so let's go ahead, and I'm going to take you to the beach here, Key West Beach, to show you some construction and just kind of show you what it looks like on kind of a gray day, all right? The link for this will be right down below, so be sure and click the link to get yours. All right, on to the beach. So you can see it's pretty cool, actually. It does a good job. I would say the worst part of this is the fact that the app itself does not work the best, okay? It does allow you to view the camera in the app, but it doesn't really allow you to edit, or I've had no success retrieving, looking at my actual videos on the cloud or anything like that. Maybe I'm not been doing it right, but so far that's been unsuccessful. But you can easily take the chip out of this, stick it in your computer, and then you can actually watch it, which is good. It's excellent for that, you know? And it does capture some pretty good looking video. Again, the link for this will be right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the best price, okay? All right, friends, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.